Hi, I'm Dana J, and this is Henry Ford Health System News. Thanks for joining us for another look at how our team is making a difference in the lives of our patients, our community, and each other. We're going to start this time at a church in Detroit, where Henry Ford is collaborating with the city of Detroit to get COVID-19 vaccinations to senior citizens. Senior Saturday COVID-19 vaccine drives are going strong at Second Ebenezer Baptist Church in north central Detroit.
This is a trusted place. This is a place that has a reputation for taking care of the community, and this is a place where people want to come.
And that's what makes it the perfect place to vaccinate senior citizens in the African American community who might be hesitant to get the vaccine. Henry Ford has been working for years to earn trust.
We've been doing outreach related to diabetes, heart disease, asthma.
For more than 2 decades, Henry Ford has been working with the faith community and the Council of Baptist Pastors Detroit vicinity to help people get the health care they need.
Building that trust over time with not only the faith leaders, but also the parishioners has helped us then when it's time to roll out a coronavirus vaccine.
Every Saturday for 8 weeks, the Henry Ford Global Health Initiative team is working with the city of Detroit to fully vaccinate a total of 2,000 senior citizens.
Being at this church is a great example of partnering with the city, partnering with a community partner, a member, to be able to say, we think there's a great opportunity here to help our community move past this pandemic, and that's vaccination.
The Henry Ford team has been in this community since the beginning of the pandemic, educating and testing for COVID-19. The vaccination efforts are the natural next step. Team members are volunteering and working overtime to get shots in arms.
It's Saturday, and I said to them, we're going to do this, and they're like, just tell us the place, right, and for how long. We're happy to be there.
Our team has been working hard to get as many people as possible vaccinated. And that includes the officers with the U.S. Customs and Border Patrol. The occupational health team vaccinated about 1,000 federal frontline workers in Metro Detroit. Leaders with the Department of Homeland Security extended warmest thanks for the time, expertise, and professionalism of the Henry Ford team. One of the goals of the Healing Arts program at the Henry Ford Cancer Institute Detroit is to bring Detroit culture to patients from all over the world who might not get to experience everything the city has to offer. These portraits of Josephine Ford and Brigida Harris, 2 important women in the health system's history, hang just inside the south entrance. Well-known Detroit artist Desiree Kelly tells us how she brought them to life.
My whole idea is to recreate the whole portrait style. Growing up in Detroit, I mean, it's kind of a little bit gritty, a little bit edgy. To bring that energy and that personality, my whole goal as an artist is to tell the story of that person. The figures are oil painting and the backgrounds are typically acrylic or collage, and it's a hybrid of the 2 cultures, basically, like street art meets traditional oil painting. It's sort of like interpreting portraiture, creating it and making it into something new, like a new generation of oil paintings. So Josephine Ford, she liked to kind of do her own thing. She was like a huge patron of the arts and just had her own like kind of like style. And so there's this picture that they normally use of her, and so it's referenced from that, basically bringing her to life, because it's a black and white picture that I painted from and added color and a little bit of movement just to like add her like essence to it. Sort of like mimicking that idea with this painting as well, with incorporating that bit of movement and color. Incorporating roses, she had this thing about tending, their rose garden. Just these little elements, just to take a little glimpse into like their life and like, adding my style to it.
Desiree Kelly's studio is in the same neighborhood as the Cancer Pavilion and Henry Ford Hospital. In fact, you can see the K building from her front porch. Okay, from portraits to our featured photo. Henry Ford Hospital team members squared off in the annual Peanut Butter Showdown. 3 amateur chefs compete to see who can come up with the most delicious peanut butter creation. The Showdown kicks off the Department of Nursing's annual Power Up Detroit with Protein food drive for Gleaners Community Food Bank. Jeff Betchard earned the title of Showdown Champion with his peanut butter sandwich kebabs. We want to see what your team is up to, so send us your photos and story ideas. The email address is newstips@hfhs.org. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around.